In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps over here. Then select App Twin and click on gray switcher next to one of your available apps you wish to clone. Wait. And when the switcher turns blue, go back. So now when I check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use now blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!